English is an important language for a wide range of personal and professional objectives.
That's why today I will tell you 5 best apps to learn English. Number 1 is BBC Learning English. One of the most widely used free resources for learning English is BBC Learning. This app is available on Play Store. Simply install it to improve your English. Number 2 is Duolingo. Duolingo is the best app to learn any language.
Duolingo offers a free version with almost full functionality but ad supported.
Number 3 Wlingua Learn English.
Lingua is the best American English and British English learning app. They offer 6 courses.
These are 6 courses: English course, Advanced English course, B2 First course, English Irregular verb course, British English pronunciation course, American English pronunciation course. English course. This course has 500 lessons and hundreds of exercises for vocabulary and grammar. You can also work on your ability to comprehend what you read and listen.
Number 2 Advanced English course. This course will assist you with proceeding to work on your English. In excess of 200 sentence structure and jargon examples with many activities.
Number 3 B2 First course. In this course, you can prepare for all parts of the use of English, reading, and listening sections with 440 lessons and hundreds of exercises. Only exam type questions are included. Number 4 English Irregular Verbs course. This course teaches you how to use irregular verbs in English in 70 lessons and hundreds of exercises. Number 5 British English pronunciation course. 30 lessons course with a lot of exercises for learning British English pronunciation. Number 6 American English pronunciation course. This course teaches pronunciation of American English through 26 lessons. Number 4 Grammarly. You can check and fix your English grammar, spelling, punctuation, and more with Grammarly. You only need to download the Grammarly app and enable it in the keyboard settings. In addition, you can receive concise, understandable explanations for each correction. Learn from your mistakes and don't make them again. Number 5 Babbel. Another well-known language learning stage, Babbel offers courses in various dialects that are intended to be functional and conversational.
Number 6 English Speaking Practice.
This is one of the best apps to learn English. You can improve your speaking English with this AI speaking app.
These all apps are available in Play Store. You can easily install apps to learn English.